The true meaning of field test. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, field test. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it properly. So, let's jump right in. Field. A place where practical activities happen. It could be a literal field, like a grassy area, or it could refer to a particular environment or setting where certain activities occur. Test. An examination of something's qualities, performance, or reliability. When combined, field test refers to testing something in the environment or conditions in which it will actually be used, rather than under controlled or laboratory conditions. Field tests are essential because they provide a real-world assessment of how something works. Instead of just theorizing or making predictions based on lab results, companies or individuals can get first-hand information on the practicality and functionality of a product or idea. For example, if a company designs a new hiking boot, a field test would involve hikers wearing them on actual trails. This would give more accurate feedback than just walking in a controlled indoor environment. Here are some examples to help you use field test in a conversation. 1. Before launching the new app, the developers decided to field test it with a group of users. 2. The military often field tests new equipment to ensure its reliability in combat situations. 3. Though the prototype worked well in the lab, the real challenge will be the field test. And there you have it. The phrase, field test, is all about testing in real, practical situations. It's a term that highlights the importance of practical experience over theoretical knowledge. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember, language is an ever-evolving journey. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!